Is the B9RS5 034 high pressure fuel pump supposed to make low tapping sounds when accelerating? Been doing it for weeks without any change to the sound. It's pretty quiet.
I mean, you will hear some, mechanical noise from the pumps and the injectors. I'm not sure, maybe a little hypersensitive, but it shouldn't be really much louder than it was.
I haven't really heard this feedback a lot, so I don't know.
I mean,
they definitely make noise.
It's maybe a tiny bit louder, but it should be basically the same noise you were getting stock.
And the FSI injectors are really noisy.
The whole injection system
and the valve train.
It makes a lot of noise, but they have all kinds of sound deadening over it. I'll call that.